Hi all, today I'm going to show you a review of Trendy Toys, this electric continuous emission water gun. It comes as a pack of two, black and a blue one. What you get with this are three accessories. One is this portion out here, which does not really throw fire. It comes as a LED light. I'll show you one of those. So if you look at this, or rather let me do it this way so you can see some light. Yeah, so it flashes only when you're in the dark. So it flashes, which looks really cool, and I'll show you the demonstration later on. But you get one of those. What you get is this for the target, and third is a container for water. You get two batteries in each of this gun. One goes for the LED light, and the other one goes into the magazine for the electric shooting of the water bullets. Yeah. The guns come in two different colors as I showed. This is the blue one. You got the container. It's pretty good. It's about 320 ml of water. You just have this pipe hanging from the bottom. You put it in and you turn it around. One second, it's a bit hard because it's brand new. And this is how it's going to be. For the front, this is just push and play, but what they recommend is keeping this USB connection onto the top so that the water doesn't drip over to it. And the third part is this target for viewfinder or target finder. You can put it either ways, it doesn't matter which way you do, or you can put it this way. You can even turn it around and do it the other way around if you want to. Okay, on the side you will find the battery container. This is a standard any electric car or toy battery. It comes with this kind of a connector which clips in, and you can then see it operational. So if I put it in and then put it into the magazine section, you got a nice clip to cover it, and then it works. Yeah. If you make it dark, you will see the light coming as well. So it depends on the LED light, and accordingly it will flashes. Similarly, the black magazine over here will also work the same way. These two are the ones that you get in this box. What you also get with this is two separate chargers for each of the LED lights, and you get two of these chargers, USB chargers, for the battery that goes into the magazine section of the gun. You get the screwdrivers along with it, but that is something you should already have in your house. And good thing is you also get an instructions manual with it. This is only for the LED section of how to charge the LED and where should you place it in terms of the angle, which, as I explained, you should keep the charging point on the top, or rather at 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, so that you have the light button on the side and you have the charging port here. Once you've charged it, you can press the light button for 3 seconds and then it activates it. The other thing is that once you've used it, you should put it back on charging. The water container that you've got with it is good for about 100 to 200 shots at least on the minimum. It works for more than that, but it depends on how frequently you use it. It's quite a lot. It looks like a small container, but it's good for kids to shoot around for about 15 to 20 minutes easy. The battery that comes in it is good for an hour worth of play. It depends on how frequently you shoot, but at a comfortable level, it will help the kids play for about an hour's time. The instruction is also on the box. If you see on this side, this explains how do you put the battery in, how do you connect the pipe, and how do you connect the water container that you get with it at the box. Yep. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, but these are the instructions in case you need. With that, I'm switching off the video. Hope you have fun this summer.